guys, welcome. Merry Christmas. I hope you are having a very good time with your family, your friends, right? So let's talk about Bitcoin and let's talk about many altcoins actually right now they are pumping, but Solana actually did very well, actually, very good. But well, this is the alt season I was saying before. No, this is not the alt season I am actually looking. The real alt season I'm looking is actually next year, but I'm gonna explain why later in this video. So let's start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now in one day chart. Let me show you here. Well, first of all, here we have the momentum is gone in one day chart, as you can see here. Volume is not following anymore the price, as you can see here. So in short term, I'm looking for maybe a bounce to maybe $43,800, 700 around there in forward chart. That's it, but I am not looking for new highs, something like that. I was looking for a buy signal here, I said like a few days ago, but this is not very healthy. Every time when you see curve doing something like this, like it's choppy, right, between the zero line here, is something actually I don't like to trade because it's difficult, right? And the rules is very simple. I want to see Bitcoin or just in sideways here, and just I want to see a reset, right, in curve here, and after that, yes, we can see continuation. My prediction is still to the upside here, yes, as long as Bitcoin is holding a $41,000 500 in one day chart. But let me tell you something, it's actually very dangerous right now to if we don't have the right setup here. The good news is Bitcoin is doing very well. As you can see here, we have better variance from this point and this point, and technically speaking, it's almost over. I think Bitcoin actually is getting ready for at least just to be in sideways, maybe all this week, and potentially yes, another bounce. Targets maybe $47,000, 48 around there if we see this bounce. Now, if Bitcoin breaks $41,000, 700, 800, we will see finally the beginning of this correction. And this correction is going to be very nasty because, as you can see here, now many people they are in FOMO. The bull market is here. Well, now they are buying Solana at $100, right? It's insane. So the thing is, like, if you are new and you're doing this mistake, because a mistake, right? Be careful because you're gonna get wrecked very fast. So, well, the thing here is like if Bitcoin breaks the MA21 and you want to talk about moving average, the MA21 is acting as support, as you can see here. The MA21, any close one day chart closing below there, you will see a leg down to all the way down to $39,000, around 40K. Now, the trend is your friend. It's going to be a buy opportunity? Of course, yes. But, well, I will just wait for confirmation. Now, let's talk about the most important chart right now here is in FIDA chart. In FIDA chart, well, my friend, officially we have a sell signal or sideways signal here. So, Bitcoin is going to be... I am not expecting new highs. Not anymore. Not anymore. I think, based on this chart, this is going to be in range between... Well, the range is it could be 40K and $45,000 around there for the next 2 months, 2-3 months. Okay, the game is over, at least for bulls right now. Bitcoin is gonna enter in sideways. Good news maybe for altcoins, yes, maybe good news because we will see more crazy pumps maybe in the coming months. But eventually here, the good news here, we don't have better variance around, at least in this area, this region, as you can see here. But we have a massive better variance here in OBB inside the chart, as you can see here, from this point and this point, this point and this point. So, well, this could be a problem, yes, but overall, I think Bitcoin is healthy in the long term. As long as it's above 30K, 25K maximum, and 30K, everything should be fine. So right now I'm looking for, as before, the next 2-3 months, Bitcoin is gonna be in sideways here from 40K. Any close below $40,000, you will see a leg down to 30K. 30K, that is the target. Yeah, it's very simple to do. It's very easy actually. So now let's talk about the weekly chart. We have something very interesting to show here in weekly chart. Let me show you here. We don't have good news, very good news for Bitcoin. We don't have better variance anymore. So this is very good because we can say this move, we will have a correction. Of course, yes, we will have a correction, and that's obvious. But the problem here is, well, not the problem. The next macro pullback you see here around 30K, 25K, that is going to be a major buy opportunity, not just for Bitcoin, actually all the altcoins, Solana, Cardano, many of them. And that is the way I'm gonna take, because I'm gonna explain why I didn't buy. Oh my god, I missed a lot of pumps, right? I don't care. Seriously, I really don't care. Because if I am right with this technical analysis, believe me, what you saw in the last 2 months or this month is nothing like actually we will see in the bull market, in the real bull market. So let's talk about this. So we don't have better variance here, and also volume is very healthy, as you can see here. So what I want to see in the next 2-3 months, I mean, I'm talking about 2024, maximum this area. This area is the area I am looking for Bitcoin. Yes, to be in sideways here. Let me do it here. Yeah, all this area of Bitcoin is gonna be in sideways. Any closes before below 40K, you will see 30K. Very easy. So the thing here is like, if we see the monthly, because the monthly is coming right in 3 days, we have here in monthly chart, the resistance here is around this area. Let me show you here. We have the body, the candles here. We have here all this area of resistance between 50K and $45,000. So I don't see Bitcoin breaking this area. Actually, what I'm looking for right now is something like this. Okay, something like this, where you will see again eventually Bitcoin testing maybe 30K, 25K. Maybe it's more like big surprise, right? Another test to maybe 100 here, around 23, 24. Who knows? Maybe. Market makers, they like to play with our emotions, right? So the thing here is like, so should I buy right now? No, at least no. I said many times, no, I don't care. Seriously, I really don't care if Solana is at 100 right now. Oh my God, I miss. I don't care. Seriously, I don't care, because if everything is correct, this is just the first wave of the bull market. The second wave is the correction, and this one, my friend, this one is when actually I'm thinking to enter. This one is where the real profit is coming. So as I said before, I don't see Bitcoin above 50K this year. Maximum, as I said before, this Bitcoin is going to be here. The rest of the year, I think eventually we will see a pullback. Again, any close below the mid-21 around $40,000, $42,000, 400, 1 day chart closing there, you will see a leg down all the way down to $39,000 continuation, and eventually in the long term 30K. Yeah, that's the target in the long term. Now let's talk about the 4-hour chart, because in 4-hour chart we have a very interesting setup right now here. In 4-hour chart we have buy signal right now in progress, as you can see here. We don't have bullish variance in OBB, so the technical analysis, the target already hit. But honestly, I'm thinking Bitcoin will hit around $42,300. It's gonna be inside all the way, all this area. I think Bitcoin is just gonna do something like this, right? Like this, and after that, pull back again. Now, there is no bullish variance, as you can see here. In 4-hour chart, this is looking more like a distribution. It's looking not like continuation anymore. I don't see good reasons why Bitcoin actually could hit right now 50K. I don't think so. I think probabilities now are very low. As you can see here, Bitcoin broke the OBB broke the MA55 in volume, and also we have different signals. Right now we have to the chart, we have a better variance into the chart, as you can see here. So of course this will take time, but we have a confirmation right now with this candle close. So we have a better variance into the chart, and also we have 3-day chart signal here, and also we have 5-day chart signal as well. So this is a time for me to just get out. If you're in profit in altcoins, you're profiting, I mean, with your altcoins gambling, perfect. But this is time to take profits, at least for me, at least in my case, right? So, well, let's continue. Let's talk about just one altcoin. Actually, it's very impressive. My second target hit. Honestly, I wasn't expecting something like this. I mean, very fast, but well, no, altcoins are like that. And let me tell you something very crazy. Maybe you will not believe me, and I will. It's the first video I'm gonna talk about this, and it's the only one and the last one I'm gonna say something like this. Let me show you this. Solana right now is at 100. My target was 110, 100, around here. Now target hit, perfect. Buying here is very stupid, at least for me, very very stupid. But don't get me wrong. The next macro pullback you see here around, I'm looking for Solana maybe around $40, 35. Solana is doing something like I saw in 2016, 2017 for Ethereum with this massive volume, massive volume. I remember very well that time when Ethereum was at $80. This is not financial advice, and this is the only one video I'm gonna say something like this. The last time when I saw a coin doing something like this, it was Ethereum in 2016, 2017, and after that we saw Ethereum at $1,000. Okay. I said it. Yes, I know it's crazy. I know it's crazy. Yes, I don't say I am not saying buy it, of course not. But the only thing I can tell you right now, I'm gonna buy this thing. Yes, of course, yes. Not now, not at $100, of course not. But there is a very high probability you will see Solana. Solana, I think, in the next bull market is gonna be one of the biggest players actually. Yeah, I think definitely with this massive volume I can see here, Solana is gonna be a massive player in the next bull market. So it's one of my top number one or two of altcoins I'm gonna buy actually. If I after I see the pullback, right? All this area for me from $40 and $30, if we are lucky, right, to see Solana at this price, I think we will not see Solana in long time. Solana again in this price. So why I'm saying this, because this setup is actually very similar, something like I saw in Ethereum when I saw a massive volume like this. Because think about it, this is by the chart, and also weekly chart is crazy. Look at this, the volume here is impressive here and massive. I mean, the last time when I saw this, it was Ethereum, and I know Solana is gonna do something very interesting here. So now let's talk about Cardano, for example. So here BNB now $300, very good. As you can see here, breaking here the ME55 here, testing resistance right now here. Should I buy? Of course not. This is resistance, right? Around 350, around there. That is the area. Volume is not very good in weekly chart, but momentum is still to the upside here. So remember, if you are in profit right now in altcoins, perfect. Congratulations, you are making money, very good. But this is not the bull market people they are expecting. They are thinking right now. Actually, this is the first wave. Let me explain why the first wave. The first wave for this bull market is something like this. Let me show you here in weekly chart. Yes, we have here the first wave is this one. As you can see here, the first wave, and the second wave should be something like this, right? Of course, I am looking for 25k, but following elevate theory, so second wave could be also around here. So don't get me wrong. So all the profits you are making right now, if you are just in FOMO, just oh yes, let's buy at $100 because Solana is gonna reach 1,000 tomorrow, or because I don't know, I don't care. You are making a huge mistake right now. Buying altcoins right now at this point is, for me, right, in my humble opinion, is very stupid, right? So the thing here is like, you want to buy because I will do it. This major correction. Let me explain here because I need to major correction. Let me explain here because I need to show you this with elevate theory, right? This is way number 1, way number 2, and way number 3, 4, and 5. So I'm gonna do it properly, like a real technical analysis with elevate theory, because remember, I use elevate theory like almost 3 years of my career as a trader. I mean, very seriously. I think just few times I do this. I'm gonna do it with Fibonacci levels, like actually is the formal way to do it, right? So let me show you here. If this is imagine, like, let's talk about like maybe Bitcoin will not make new high. I mean, it's just gonna from this $45,000 is the top. Yes, so let's do this. Let me show you here from $45,000. Okay, I'm gonna do it for $50,000. Okay, maybe. So $50,000 to the bottom here, around the golden pocket is around $30,000, around there, and the lowest point is around $25,000. As I said before, remember what I said, between $3,000 and 25, that is they are the levels, the key levels in the long term, right? So is this one, and this one, right? So if we follow Elevate theory, right, like formally speaking, so the correction should be from this point, way number one, to the way number two. Way number two, it should be or the golden pocket around $30,000, sorry, or an extension to $25,000. So let's talk about maybe $25,000. Okay. Now, from this point, how we can calculate here? My target is around $75,000, $80,000 for the way number three. 4 and 5. So I want to do it properly here. So let me do it here. 1 second. I'm gonna use Fibonacci extensions for this. Yeah, Fibonacci extensions using this one usually is the extension around 78.6 is the area I am looking for always for the way number three. So at least I will start looking for the way number two in 2024 around $65,000, $66,000. But honestly, I think we'll break $60,000 is not a resistance. I think Bitcoin just will break like same as 20K. And you will see Bitcoin at 75, 85, something like that. So the real profit or real bull market is not this one, because this is what is not. In this phase, Bitcoin and many altcoins broke just the downtrend. That's it. It's the only thing they did. Let me show you here, for example, with DOT. What DOT is doing right now is breaking the downtrend. That's it. This is just breaking the downtrend. Is gonna test around here around $5-6 again, and way number one, number two, and after that continuation, yeah, following the trend. So same thing with, for example, Neo or Cardano. For example, let me show you Cardano. Same thing, yeah, breaking the downtrend here, MA55, as you can see here, breaking, is gonna test here, and after that continuation, looking for maybe $1 with 40 cents around there. And well, and many altcoins, they are doing exactly the same thing. For example, BNB not yet. BNB is still in the process. I have to see a break to $300 first, and after that, something like this, yes, it's gonna be continuation. Okay, for example, is trying to break the downtrend. It's not yet. It's not there. It's still in process. But as you can see, many altcoins, they are doing, or they are trying to reverse a trend, or some of them actually they are already reverse a trend. For example, Phil, let me show you here. No, it's still in sideways. Let me show you, for example, KuCoin, for example, this one, right? Broke the trend here, MA55, and after that we will see correction at least 2-3 months. January, February, March, everything is gonna be red, but it's very healthy. It's very healthy. Now, let me show you here also Link, for example, Link reversing the trend, the same thing, same thing. Okay. Now, one thing is my concern, right? This is my concern is this wave. This wave could be, Elevate theory has like 3, 4, 5 counts, so that's why for me I don't take it very seriously, but in the process of this correction, the way number two, we will have a sell signal in the monthly for Bitcoin. And that's my only one concern about this. Because if this correction wave, the second from 50K to 30K, breaks key levels, in this case 25K, it's gonna be something different, okay? I don't want to say it right now because for me right now, Bitcoin, all the market is healthy. But as I said before, this is the only warning I can see for Bitcoin. If we have a sell signal here in 2024 and Bitcoin is not making new highs, or even better, closing above 50K, it's gonna be a huge problem. Okay, so I think that's it, guys. That's it for this live stream. I mean, Bitcoin is doing good. In short term, let me show you here. In short term, I am looking for around this resistance, around almost 44K, around there. That's the resistance I'm looking for our chart. Honestly, for me, it's gonna be a short opportunity. I am not looking for new highs, not yet. I think Bitcoin is not ready for that. I think honestly, for me, the party is in altcoins. Not for me, because many altcoins, they are 100%, 150% up. For trade, maybe yes. For buying is stupid, at least for me, right? If you want to do it, it's your money, not mine. But for me, buying altcoins right now is actually very, very bad. I am not saying, like I said before, after the macro pullback, yes, many altcoins, like for example AVAX, reverse a downtrend. Now this wave, as I said before, this move is the only thing is doing this coin is reversing the trend. That's it. So the next buy opportunity should be after you see the pullback, and you will see it soon for many altcoins. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you so much, and well, enjoy the last week of 2023, and Merry Christmas again.